Hello everyone, welcome to my new tutorial series where I'm going to be showing you how to program in CSS. So the first thing you want is to have an HTML page. Just create a basic one here, nothing complex. I'm using Notepad++ because it's nice for this sort of thing. And we probably want to set our language to HTML. Alright, and then what we want to do is add a body and a head. We'll be using the head later, but not in this tutorial, when we add an actual class file. Well, for CSS classes. So style sheet. So we'll go ahead and put the opening and closing tags in, and then I'll have a div, which stands for divider. Think of it as like a box, I guess you could say, on your screen, and then we'll have a bold tag in here. For bolded text, of course, using CSS for bolded text is probably better, but for now we're just doing it this way. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, we're doing it the simple way, which is maybe not the most professional, but we'll do style equals. Now normally you would do class equals and have a style sheet, but we're starting out with the basics. So in style, let's add a background color. Just like that. And then you can type in like white, red, orange, black, whatever. But you can also do this, which is the colors in the hexadecimal. Like for instance, this would be white, and this would be black. Oh, I think I missed one, yeah. So yeah, we'll go ahead and just make the background color, I guess we'll do a gray of some sort. So that should be grayish. And then what we're going to go ahead and do is make color white. Alright, so we can go ahead and see what this looks like, but first we're going to type in hello everyone on YouTube. Uh-oh, let me spell that. Go ahead and save that as, and we'll want to go to desktop here, and then we'll just call it new.html. And save that, and then from here, oh, I was actually already in that folder. Just open with, in fact, I probably should set the thing to be default to Chrome, but that's okay. As you can see, if you zoom in here, there's a hello everyone on YouTube. Now that's pretty small, so we kind of want to make it a little bit larger. So what we want to do is add font size. Of like, I don't know, 40 pixels, so it's large. And we'll add some padding of like 20 pixels. Go ahead and save that. And then, let's see here, go ahead and refresh. As you can see, it's larger now, so that's pretty cool. And then maybe we want to have a specific width of 150, well, maybe 300 pixels, and a specific height of maybe 150 pixels. And we can go ahead and save that. Take a look. Alright, maybe it needs to be a little bit larger, so we'll do 400 pixels. And as you can see, this is getting kind of bulky, and you don't really want that. So I will show at some point how to move that to a style sheet so it's not as bulky, but right now we're not going to worry about it. So then the next thing we want to do is maybe center it, say, so margin right, auto, margin left, auto, just like that. And since it's a div and we've set a specific width, it should center just fine, like that. So yeah, I guess in the next tutorial, I'll get into some more proper coding techniques where we move this to a file and we reference that file in the header here, so that it doesn't take up gigantic amounts of space in our code and make it look horrible. So yeah. Anyways, I think that's the end of the tutorial. Just some starting out basics of how to do CSS. And next tutorial I'll be working on moving it to a file.